Hey everyone, so I'm doing a video today in response to a question that I was asked during a private lesson about removing drums from a sample. Now this can be a really simple thing to do if you have a basic dance or rock beat where there's just loud transients on the downbeat. So I've got a sample here. The song is Body by Loud Luxury. Let's have a listen to it. So you've got that snap on 2 and 4, and that's what we're going to be removing. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy this onto another track. And then we're going to isolate each one of the transients. Now if we play these back together right now, the snap is going to play that back louder. The two signals are adding together. But there's a way that we can make the signals cancel each other out by flipping the polarity of the second one. So we're going to go into our gain plugin, and we're going to phase invert the left and the right channels. And like magic, it's gone. So what's happening here, this only works if both channels are at equal volume, because whenever the first one is sending a positive wave, the other one now is canceling it out with a negative wave. So if our gain on the second track was like 2 dB quieter, the snap would be quieter, but it wouldn't be completely canceled out. So what you can do is you can use fades around this little section to control the scoop or the dip of the track around this one cancellation. Now you want to make sure that you don't cut off the absolute transient of it, because that's the hit that you want to remove, because in theory you're going to add your own drums to this section and you just don't want to have the excess clutter. So you can kind of hear the air behind it, and the track's still there, but that hit is removed. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. I really hope that it helped you out. You can let me know in the comments if you have any questions or a topic idea for another video. Make sure to like this video and share it with a friend. You can click over here to subscribe to the channel, and you can click over here to check out another video. Thanks for watching.